Welcome to day 21 of the Stickbot Advent Calendar unboxing. I realised this is day 22 actually, but I forgot, so there we go. Anyway, here's what we had before. Let's see what we get in this one. It's another dino. This is a translucent yellow stick raptor. It's another exclusive Stickbot to the set, because this is a colour that you won't find elsewhere. Exciting. And that was day 21. Again, I apologise for missing the upload yesterday. Stay tuned for day 22 some other time today. And it will be today. I'll make sure of it. Take care.